This company gave me a shot when everyone else said no. 17 years ago, when everyone else said you was overqualified and everyone else said that you didn't have enough experience, and a firm by the name of WFG gave me a shot. And I want to say thank you to a young man by the name of Jeff Blahoviak because he gave me that chance when everyone else said no. Right now the company is growing, income is up, cash flow is up. We're promoting people to senior partner right now. And I'm here to tell you, you're in for a treat today. You're going to hear information that may be new to you and some information you may be familiar with. So just sit back and relax and take it all in. So I always wanted to run my own company and run my own business on my terms. Always wanted to do that. And you ever catch yourself going through the motions, knowing that it's something else better out there, knowing that you could do something bigger in your life, knowing that, you know what, if I had a chance, if I had a shot, that I could really transform my legacy. It comes down to understanding how money works. Think about that. It comes down to understanding how money works. So I'm going to just break down how money works because we all work hard for our money. Would you agree with me? We work hard for our money. In the first place we put our money is in the bank. We put our money in the bank. And when we put our money in the bank, we feel that it's safe. We feel that we can get to it if we need it. Some families can make $1,000 a month, a family of 4, and they can still make it. And some people are single and make $10,000 a month and they can't make ends meet. Why is that? Why is that? Because of our lifestyle. The lifestyle you're living right now is a reflection of what's in your bank account. Are you satisfied with your lifestyle? Do you like your lifestyle that you're living right now? Are you encouraged about your lifestyle? I can tell you this, some people's lifestyle just changed over the last 2 months. Even though let's say you're making 10 grand a month, half of that or more will go to lifestyle. If you're making 5 grand a month, half will go to lifestyle. We still got to pay our taxes. Do you think taxes will go up or do you think taxes will go down? That's something to think about. Still got to pay taxes. We're still living off good old fashioned American debt. Why are people in debt? We buy things we really don't need to impress people who really don't care. We buy things we really don't need to impress people who really don't care. So we got our lifestyle, we have our taxes, we got our debt. And then we try to cut a little piece of debt and taxes back, and we call that savings. That's the missing piece. So if you look at this as a bank, as a personal bank, that's pretty much how it looks for most people. So what happens, the bank will invest your money with a professional money manager, and their job is to get 10% or higher on that account. So they're not going to just put a little rubber band on your money and say, hey, this is Joe Brown's money. Don't touch it till he shows up. No, they're going to mix it in with everyone else. And they're going to have some of the best money managers manage that money to get 10% or more. In some cases, you got to have $250,000 just to have a great money manager to watch over your money. $250,000. With us, if you got $50 to save a month, millions of dollars to save a month, and everyone in between, we can work with them. When it comes to our money, we have something called a financial timeline. So let's go back to your very first paycheck. Let's go back to your first paycheck. How old were you? 14, 15, 16 years old. You got your very first paycheck with your name on it. Your very first paycheck. And so now we want to rewind, we want to fast forward all the way till today. Here's the question. Are you satisfied with the amount of money you saved since your very first paycheck? Are you satisfied? And if you can go back in time, what would you do differently? If you can go back in time. If you can go back in time, what are 3 things you would do differently? Write it on a sheet of paper. Did you have a financial coach along the way? And if you had a financial coach, right, would you be better off? Would you be better off? Some things to really think about. So starting today, you got to make a commitment that you're serious about the next journey when it comes to your financial plan, your financial legacy, your financial journey. It has to last at least to age 100. See, right now you're at accumulation phase. You're growing your money, you're making money, you have energy, you're building your wealth. Then it's going to come a point you're going to stop working. Are you going to stop working because you have to? Or are you going to stop working because you want to? And then you're going to start thinking about retirement or think about your future lifestyle. So you got a lifestyle today and you got a future lifestyle. What does your future lifestyle look like? And then we got to figure out, okay, I'm at accumulation phase, but what age do I want to retire? What is that age? Is it 55, 65, 75? Some of you probably won't retire until 85 years old if you don't get it going now, until 85 years old. Now, I can push the line back or I can push the line forward, and I'll show you that in a second. But I want to let you know distribution phase is very important. See, we always talk about accumulation, but nobody really talk about distribution. How much income per month will you need to support your lifestyle? How many checks are you going to get in the future? You know, it all starts with whatever you do today, because we got to make sure we do a review every year to make sure you're on track. Because we can always push the line forward. You know, we can push it this way or we can bring it back. But the only way we can do that, I need to know your financial independence number. You need to know your FIN number. Do you know your FIN number? That is just as important as your Social Security number. Do you know your FIN number? So you got to understand your FIN number is important because that'll let me know, okay, once we re-engineer it, we don't have time to do it today, but whoever invited you, make sure you get your FIN number. So I want to make sure we know how much money to save along the way on this financial journey so we can have this question answered to fit your lifestyle. You know, the habit of savings. You know, back in the 80s, we saved 10% of our money. In the 90s, we saved 5% of our money. In the 2000s, we saved 2% of our money. And today, where do you think we stand? Where do you think we stand today? -1. Think about what everything's going on right now, all of the uncertainty right now. We're saving a -1. People think it's survival, not saving. But the ones that can save more today will come out on top. And we have coaches that can help you with that. You know, a wealthy person told me this. I'm going to share this with you. A very wise, wealthy person. They said, Alvin, if you save 10% of your money, you will be poor. If you save 20% of your money, you will be okay. And if you save 30% of your money, there's a chance you will become wealthy. Can you save money during uncertain times? Can you make sure you pay yourself first? You know, there's $63 trillion going to change hands in the next 20 years. $63 trillion, money on the move in the next 20 years. So let's talk about that. How much of the 63 trillion will your family get? How much of the 63 trillion are you going to help people with? That is a big number right there. 63 trillion over the next 20 years. You know, we have a massive, massive opportunity. Massive. Especially right now, there's a dramatic need. People need financial education. People need to know how money works. People need to have more income coming in. You know, debt is at an all-time high. Most don't have an emergency fund. Most don't have the right protection plans. You know, we're helping families from all walks of life. Like I said earlier, $50 a month, $100 a month, $200 a month, $300, all the way up to $1 million or more. You know, major backing. I want to share some information with you with that soon. You know, innovative. You can do majority of our business right here on your phone. We have the most cutting edge technology, advanced technology. So when you put great technology and great marketing with innovative solutions, you can't lose. And we have a proven system that works. You know, people here from all walks of life are really running our business, you know, from part-time to full-time. So let me share this with you too. We are a true work from home business, a true work from home business. We're not one of those home-based businesses. You know, there's a big difference. We are a work-from-home business, and we have a system, and we have the backing. Let's take a deeper dive. You know, right now, there's something called the distribution revolution going on. If you think about it, you got Uber, Facebook, Amazon, and Airbnb. We've all rode in an Uber before, and Uber is in the taxi business, but own no vehicles. Facebook, we all looked on Facebook. You know, they own none of the content. They create none of the content. Amazon, you probably had an Amazon Prime delivered today. No inventory. They have, you know, the largest retailer with no inventory. And Airbnb, the largest when it comes to real estate. So they're dominating in their space, right? What if there was a company that can dominate like these companies are dominate, but in the money business? What if there was a company that can do that? Well, I'll tell you what, Legacy Movement has partnered with a company called WFG, the #1 financial services distributor that owns no financial products. So just imagine how large can a company become and how large can a company grow in the distribution channel competing with these companies you see on the screen right here. How large can it be? I'll tell you this, it's probably 40, 50 times larger than all of those companies combined because we're in the money business. You know, we have the backing of Aegon. Been in business since 1844. $750 billion company in assets. Transamerica, one of our sister companies as well. The #1 broker-dealer for women. #1. And also you throw the marketing arm as a WFG. So you put those three together, you got a powerhouse in business. You know, here's some of the companies that we represent here. We have strategic alliances with some of the top billion-dollar companies out there. You know, we're in a $1 trillion industry backed by billion-dollar companies, and I'm going to teach you how to make millions in our company. I'm sure you heard of Prudential and Allianz and Pacific Life and Fidelity and JP Morgan. So all of their legal team had to meet with our legal team, and we wanted to make sure it was a good fit. And we decided to partner and do business together. As a matter of fact, we got a 40-year commitment from Aegon. Now, if a company gives you a 40-year commitment, that says a lot right there. That says a lot. And we are expanding very aggressively right now. You know, we're the number one virtual financial services business, #1. You know, a lot of companies are now adapting to Zoom and different webinars. We've been doing this for the last 3 years. That's how we're growing so fast. If you have internet and a cell phone, you can make some big money here. Look at California's growing, Washington State, Canada, Midwest, Northeast, but look at the South. It's wide open. It's wide open. So wherever there's a SEC football team, we want an office. Wherever there's an NBA team, we want an office. Wherever there's an NFL team, we want an office. But the South is wide open. We are expanding. So let me share with you a concept that was life-changing to me. When I first saw this at 23 years old, I said, you know what? I want in. I never saw anything like this before. You know, there's 4 ways to make money, and you got to climb the legacy ladder. There's 4 ways to make money. #1, some people will be an employee. They got a job, they got a boss, they got a time clock. You know, they don't like the people they work with. Maybe they got furloughed or laid off when somebody else controlling their destiny. Some people become self-employed, the doctor, the lawyer, the real estate agent, you know, the person that cut hair, cut grass. A lot of service people right now, they're struggling right now. Then you move up to business owner, and that's what we teach people, and that's why we're growing so fast, because we have a system that is scalable and profitable. And then you become the legacy creator. You're building generational wealth that will last 100 plus years. You're building for the next generation. So you are enjoying your lifestyle today and you're making income today, but you're also building a legacy for tomorrow. Think about this. We all want more money. And the only way to get more money, you got to climb the legacy ladder. We all want more time. And the only way to get more time, you got to climb the legacy ladder. But how do you get both? The only way to get both, you got to get out of the red box. You got to get out of the red box. See, so many people are in the red box right now, and they don't even know they're in the red box. I'm so thankful for our company. It helped me get out of the red box. It helped me shift my mindset to get out of the red box. And now we're all business owner and legacy creation. Think about that. Because if you want more money and more time, you got to get out of the red box. And that's what we teach people how to do. You know, we're different by design. We're different by design, and we're proud of it too. You know, a lot of people won't go into business because of the 4 fears. 4 reasons why people don't take action. There's 4 reasons. Fear number 1, fear of failure. Fear of loss of income stability. They fear they don't have a great system or a great product and they don't have the money. What if I can make that smaller and I can show you how we can help you? How we can help you get over those 4 things. Number 1, you will be assigned the training, the tools, a financial coach, a business coach, a mentor. We have a vested interest in your success. And we're training Zoom coaches right now to help you on your online platform. So you can be in all 50 states starting tomorrow. So you will have the coaches and you will have the platforms that will help you grow a business and make money. You don't have to quit your job. You can start part-time. You can work from home part-time. You can keep your existing career and you can build this on your own terms. You know, a lot of people don't have a great product right now. But I can tell you this, we are in the money business. We're in the money business. I don't think money's going out of style nowhere soon. We're in the cash flow business. You know, we help people with cash flow. So if you need more cash flow, we can help you with that. And we got a system that's going to help you make more cash flow and have consistent income coming in so you can never have to worry about an interruption in income. We're going to pay you every Tuesday, every Friday, and I'll break down how we get paid. And some people don't get started in business. They don't have the money. With us, it is a minimum capital of $100. A minimum capital of $100. You start your work from home business for $100. Something to think about, right? So let's talk about how we get paid as we wrap this up. There's something called new money and there's something called old money. New money, money that we're going to save every week or every month, money that we're going to contribute money into a plan. You know, let's say in this example, a family saves $250 a month. So let's say a husband saves $125 and a wife saves $125. It goes into a program that when the money grows, they pay no tax. When they pull the money out, they pay no tax, as long as they follow the rules. And if the money goes down, the market goes down, you don't lose money. And when the market goes up, you make money. Pretty simple. And you can set it up to pay you income for life. You set it up the right way. So let's say 250 times 12, right? That's $3,000 paid to the field. And so we have a few positions here. The first one is a financial inviter. It's like a training associate, financial inviter. So you invite people to a webinar, you invite people to take a look at some of the information. We just shared a few financial concepts today, and we're going to pay you 30% of the $3,000. You're going to make $900. So just imagine you did this one time a week. One time a week. What if you did it 10 times a week? See, that's $9,000 right there. But what if you just did it once a month? $900. Or you can become a broker. You can build up to become a broker, one of our senior partners. Let me tell you this. The 3,000 you see on the screen times 80% is 2,400. And we have brokers across the nation. Now in real estate, we're set up exactly like real estate. So you don't have to become a broker. You can just be a financial inviter. You know, but if you want to open up virtual offices, pretty much everyone's working from home. That's on our team. If you want to bump up in the company, you can do that. But let me tell you this, you don't have to wait 3 years like real estate. You can become a broker here with us within your first 4 to 5 months. Now there's something called old money. Old money means money already sitting there. Money's in a 401k. Maybe it's money in a CD. Maybe grandma left you some money. It's just sitting somewhere. So we can take, let's say in this example, $300,000. We move it to a fixed index annuity. So now the client has growth. They have a reasonable rate of return. They have income for life, and their principal is protected. So they never lose money due to market decline. They only make money. So in this example, let's say 300,000 times 6%. Now in real estate, they're getting 4 or 5, but in our business model, you get 6%, and that's going to pay out $18,000 to the field. So if you are a financial inviter, 25% on the fixed index side, $4,500 for one client as a financial inviter. Let me tell you this: a broker will make 11 grand, close to 12 grand, one deal. Where else in American business that you can get paid this kind of money working from home? All you need, good internet, good cell phone, and a good Zoom account. That's it. We're changing the game right now. This is why we're growing so fast, because the way we pay. Think about that. So let's work together. Some of you like, man, I like the information I'm hearing. I maybe don't want to make an extra 12 grand a month, but I do like the client. I want to become a client. Help me and my family with our cash flow and our debt management and our emergency fund, and help us have the right protection and build wealth. We can help you with that. There's ways you can pay off your student loans. There's ways you can pay off your mortgage that most people don't know about. There's ways that your money can grow and you pay no taxes, and when you pull it out, you pay no taxes. Get one of our financial coaches. So let's say you just invite people to the financial coach. Some of you want to start part-time as a referral partner. There's some great tax write-offs. You can we work around your schedule. You get into our training program, our online training program, some online training, a little bit of classroom training on the videos, and live field training on the Zoom. Full-time business owner. Some of you may say, you know what, this is it for me. I can jump in here. I know some people that need help with their money right now. I want to jump all in. We get paid 30 different ways. I don't have time to get into it right now. So we got renewals, trails, stock options, profit margins. You want to know more about that? Get with the person who invited you. 3 types of people in the world: those that make things happen, those that watch things happen, and those that just say, man, what just happened? So I want to go ahead and say, welcome to the family. Welcome to Legacy Movement. We have these strategic partnerships with all of these multi-billion-dollar companies. We're growing very fast right now. Just a few things to think about. Where are you going to be 3 months from now? What does that look like? What game are you playing right now? Survival game? Or are you playing build wealth game? What are you playing right now? So I'll tell you this, in closing, take a serious look at our firm. Take a serious look at our firm. We got people here from all walks of life winning, people taking control of their money, taking control of their life. There's never been a time we had a health threat and a money threat at the same time. Today could be the day you make a decision. Today could be that day you make that decision and change your family tree. I don't know if this is for you. We're not looking for everybody. I can tell you that right now. You got to have a big heart. You got to want to help people, and you can't be afraid to make money. Now is the time to get started to own your own business. Be in control of your own future. Decisions is power. And the most powerful thing in the world is a made-up mind. I made my mind up 17 years ago to be a part of this company. It's been a great ride ever since. And I'll tell you this right now. For the month of March, 2020 was one of our best months. One of our best months. We have, everything is up right now. Cash flow is up, payroll is up, our business is up 40%. Some businesses are going down, we're up. No layoffs, no cutbacks. And we're just getting started, everyone. So get back with the person who invited you to our Zoom webinar. I will be doing this again at 7 p.m. this evening. 7 p.m. this evening. So if you know of anyone, we can get the link to you. All right. Thank you for your time, everyone. And as I tell my team this every meeting, I'm going to see each and every one of you at the top, because the bottom is too crowded with excuses. Make sure you get with the person who invited you to our webinar, and we're going to talk to you soon.